So this is the latest Redmi K40 Pro. So I think not Redmi, Xiaomi K40 Pro. Okay. So here let's talk about its camera. It has 48 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 5 megapixel macro camera, in which is useless in my opinion. Okay. So here we let's talk about the front camera. It is 20 megapixel wide angle camera. So okay, nice camera. So let's move on to the display. Here we have a big display in my opinion. So it has 6.67 inch Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Gorilla Glass 5. You can imagine how strong it is. Then it has 120 Hz refresh rate with brightness of 1300 nits. Xiaomi is thinking something new, I think. Okay, let's move on to these variants of this phone. So the variants are 128GB 6GB RAM and 128 8GB, 256 8GB and 256 12GB RAM. We have 4 variants. So expected price was given 31,000, of which variant I don't know, but okay, nice. And it uses UFS 3.1 storage. So let's move on to the processor. I think it will be the gaming beast phone because it has Snapdragon 870 5G processor with the 5G modem, because our world is changing to 5G. Not world, I think most of the Asian countries are changing to 5G. That's why all phones are 5G. So in the 31,000 price point, Snapdragon 870, you can expect that. So let's go to the video recording. So it can record the video of 4K with 30 fps. So okay, nice. But something more different they have done with, if you are taking video with 1080 pixel, then you can you can get 30 fps, 60 fps, 120 fps, 240 fps and lastly 960 fps. Oh my god, nice. So now let's go to battery. It has 4520 mAh LiPo battery. I don't know what is this, but LiPo battery with the 33 watts fast charging. You will be dashy with this charger because it has 33 watts fast charging, and according to Redmi, or you can say Xiaomi, it will charge the phone only in 52 minutes from 0 to 100%. Is this true or not? So let's go to the fingerprint. It has the side mounted fingerprint, not in display or back. Okay, nice. This is the Zamana of side mounted. Realme and Redmi both are using side mounted. Okay, and its weight is 196 grams. Okay, little more you can expect the weight. And Android 11 with MIUI 12 software. Nice, they are improving, but I don't know how. Let's go to the speakers. It do not have 3.5mm jack. You can't expect in the flagship processing phones in 2021. And it has stereo speakers. Okay, so now it's the time to say you goodbye. If you like this video, then click on the like button. If you want to share, then you can share. If you like the channel, then you can subscribe it. There is no need of money to pay for subscribing. You can subscribe. Meet you in the next video.